Bolick on the hesitation. The scoop layup falls. That's an and one for Bolick.
Out this time around, he did not was able to elude the defense. Ayan, pagkaalis na mag-screen na yun si Semerad, he hesitated for a little bit and stepped on the gas, scoring his first basket in the ball game. Bumaba ni Watkins. May advantage ang Blackwater, 5 against 4. Pero that advantage will be negated dahil tumira agad ng 4 itong si George King. Now, their inability to make...
Our first 12 minutes, napayungan itong si King. Watkins, aatake. Sets it up to Bolick. They go up top. The throwdown is there for Watkins.
Nagkakaamuyan na. Kasi dahil hindi niya alam, paano ba depensahan ito? Kasama talaga yan sa mga atake ni Justin Chua, yung perimeter jumper na yan.
And this time around, Robert Bolick gets the foul call.
Using that tiny opening to blow by 2 defenders, heard the whistle, went all the way for his layup. This time around, hindi kakapusin sa elevation si Berto.
Bolick, naghahanap ng ganti, titira mula sa 4, pasok yan para kay Bolick.
First 4-pointer for
Robert Bolick. At yung rescreen na nag-under pa rin mula kay Kwekutey, punished. Watkins humingi ng bola. They finally get it to him. 10 on the shot clock. Kick out pass papunta kay Bolick. Bit of a hesitation. Bolick finishes strong.
A good execution that time. Bossing.
Paano bubutasan niya ng NLEX? That's a corner 3-point shot mula kay Torres. That is good again.
Sweet customer.
Habang si Watkins tuloy lang as Herndon is in the ball game, and that is exactly his role.
Alam mo, hindi go-to guy. Dapat itong Blackwater must play within their offensive system. Nagkakanya-kanya sila in the last 2 possessions. Kung sino man.
Bolick rejects the screen. Kick out pass. Roger wide open. 3-point shot is good.
Always have to be ready, especially if Robert Bolick forcing George King to give up that rock. And as far as Coach Jong is concerned, get the ball out of the hands of George King, and they're willing to bite the bullet.
12 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Great defense there as they get a stop. Herndon, iiwan kay Bolick. Bolick, the layup is good.
Great fast break attack. That over, they were able to force that one. Pero yun ang masakit doon dahil the momentum was definitely on the side of Blackwater. Kung meron man kailangan i-adjust itong Blackwater sa kanilang opensa is yung bang finding a back-to-the-basket attacker. It's not gonna be overnight, but alam mo, yung mga ganitong manlalaro, mga ganitong competitors, hindi nagpapasab yan. Pero yung pasa na yun ni Robert Bolick, kitang-kita niya, hindi pinahiya ni Roger.
Important to note na penalty na rin po ang NLEX. Robert Bolick will have to step up and he delivers.
And this is where Robert Bolick, yun yung back-to-the-basket player, sinasabi natin. Pero yun na nga, napakadali kay Robert Bolick.
Ayun, Bolick managing the clock here. Kicks it out. Roger, open shooter. That is down.
He will have a long career under the system of Coach Jong with Chico.
NLEX 2:26 remaining. Bolick. That's a big boy move against Kwekutey.
He knows what to do. Itong si Robert Bolick.
Uubusan ka talaga, Coach Ryan.
Ayun. Mahirap talaga. Kulang na kulang sa opensa itong Blackwater.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA. 23 points, 5 rebounds. At yung huling pasa niya, papunta kay Watkins, gave him a double-double with 10 assists as well. A plus 23 in the minutes that he played in the game.
An overall splendid performance for Berto. He was just really using his exploits and his basketball intelligence to blow by any defender